Back with the Squarebody. Well, I could hear the Homes 500 bed on it. We're giving it some AC Delcos today. It ain't never had a tune-up since I owned it, so I figured why not spare the extra and buy the cheapest plugs I can and installing this. Take a look at it. Big fancy though. We got Kentucky Life making his way over here to help us in the mud today, and we're going to make this big fancy video together. A collaboration.
Fancy.
What?
Is that a lug nut?
See, fluid comes out here, but if you don't have it plugged, you get no fluid. So, you plug it off with something.
They make plugs.
They make plugs, but this was free.
I always hated these. The round.
Oh, yeah.
You can't get a grab on it.
So, which one you want to do? That side first, this side first?
I guess that side first, because that side looks like it's going to be a pain.
Okay, so I need to go get a stepping stool. Need a stepping stool. Best kind. Batteries. Stepping stool?
You brought us a stepping stool.
The best kind. It's got a handle.
Yeah, it's got the gold handle, and it's free.
Yeah, it's free. This is the part numbers I'm putting in this truck right here for the spark pluggies.
They're the big copper ones, big fancy.
We spared no expense. Joey's hard at work for me today, so y'all can't say he don't work. And take a look. That number 1 was killed.
Number 2's just as bad.
Number 2's just as bad. Oh yeah, it's just as bad. Look at that.
Let's keep these in line so we can look at them all.
Okay.
There's 1. There's 2. Well, let's see, 1, 2. That's 1 and 3.
Joey's over here. He's over here breaking stuff. He broke my plug wire. Luckily, I got spare plug wires on about everything around here.
You got a horrible valve cover leak.
Do I got a horrible valve cover leak?
Yeah, that's where your oil's going.
Oh.
God.
It's a little tight.
Yeah, just a tad.
She's tight. She's a screamer and she's tight.
She's a squirt, too.
Walk it off, sir?
That was sharp.
Was it?
Yeah.
It was mad that you hurt it when you broke the spot plug wire.
I'm going to file that down. That hurted.
So, these plugs out of this side, I done repaired the messed up spot plug wire Joey killed. But, what do you think? I think that might have been a couple of its issue. What do you think, Joey? Are you putting my stool to use?
I am.
Okay.
It's sunk into the mud.
We found
a mismatched Bosch plug.
Yeah, I wish it's a 350 plug.
And that's the only one that was actually doing something.
Yeah.
That's the sad thing about it.
It's a little shorty, see? A little bit shorter. That'd be good for headers. Give you just about another
Too bad it's got manifolds and 100 leaks and doesn't run right and the carb's too big for the engine. And
we can fix that.
I mean, we can fix anything.
That's a summer problem. That's a spring problem. Because this got to go to car shows here soon if Joey buys it.
The price is right.
It probably ain't.
Jerry's the one doing all the work to it. I'm about to repo.
Wow. It needed it.
Well, these plugs are not great.
Joey's doing this thing. Joey said he gets started since he did all the work, even though I did fix his broken spot plug wire. Oh, look at that, sir.
Keep forgetting that your door handle does it door handle.
Yeah, it needs its anti-theft. What is it at? 15? That's plenty. It's probably got a lot of gas in it. Was it flooding? It's probably washed out. So it probably needs some gas. I mean some oil. How does it start now? He's going to start it back up, see if it starts with a ton of T. Timing's a little much. Not bad, but timing's a little much.